Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is my video all about pagtiba. Today, kakain ko ng tanghalian. Ito po ay chicken joy and spaghetti, french fries, then mango pie. Yan ang ating kakainin ngayong gabi, ay ngayong tanghali. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Have a good day. Ketchup. May makulit akong pusa. Psst. Go, 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 go. Psst. No. No. May makulit akong pusa, guys. Gusto niyang Hindi na. Makisosyo. Yan. Ang sarap, mainit pa. Ang sarap, mainit. Ano naman? Maagaw sa eksena. Tumbang cellphone. Nakalangan mo. Nabango ang ano niya sa chicken. Paborito kasi ng alaga ako ang chicken. Paborito niya ang chicken. Masarap kasi kainin ang ano pag mainit pa. Pag malamig na parang iba nang. No! No, no, no! Masarap ako na. Kulit. Naman kulit. Bulunan ka ha? Matagal na akong hindi naka-upload guys ng video. Tagal na. Tapos, hindi ako nakaka-edit. Problema sa editing ng cellphone. Puno na kasi. Puno na siya. I think 1 month ago. Isang buwan na. Nasa upload man. Mm. Naman tissue. Sus. Kamusta naman ang mga life, guys? How's the life going on? How's the life going on? I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. Actually, this past few days, I did live stream na. Just to update my account and channel. I'll try my best to do live stream 2 times a day. 2 times, 1 day, 2 hours or 1 hour. For my WhatsApp ba? For my WhatsApp. Actually guys, we need to check every now and then our WhatsApp. Because if we didn't notice that our watts are already less the watts are that needed in YouTube, automatic demonetize, our channel will demonetize, and it's really hard to get again another watts hour. And I think this time you need also a millions of views in short videos. Additional requirements of YouTube. That's why we need to maintain our watch hour. Even we don't have views, we need to do lives every day. We need to do lives, or if we don't have new videos, no shorts videos like this. Yeah, if we don't have time to do videos, to edit other videos, at least we do live stream. Yeah, we do live stream for our watch hour. This channel is since 2021 or 2020, 22, 23, 24. It's already 4 years. This channel. Other small YouTuber, they didn't aware about what's our. And suddenly, they noticed that their account is demonetized already. Because they didn't check their WhatsApp. Especially if we know that we already like one year. Because every 1 year of our account should be the WhatsApp complete WhatsApp. But no, of course, we expect that. We expect after 1 year, if you don't have WhatsApp, no views, yeah, automatic. No ads na. No more ads. And of course, you cannot get salary. Then you're gonna apply again. To monetize the channel. It's just like back to start. Actually, how many months? I don't have time in my account, in my channel. I don't have account. I don't have time. I'm busy in my earning apps ba? In my earning apps. I'm busy. Because in earning apps, you can get money easily. Like 1 day, 2 days, you can get salary. But of course, in YouTube, you need to wait until $100 before you can get your salary. And it's not easy to get that $100. It's not really easy. It takes time, especially if you don't upload, no views. How can you earn? Not like other application. If you do only live, or you have like this, you do task. And it's already $10. You can withdraw through GCash. It's easy. It's easy the other application. That's why before I don't have time in YouTube. And now I'm realized I need to check all my WhatsApp because it's really already gray. The color is gray. No more green. No more green. Negative views, negative subscriber, negative negative. But when I started doing live, everyday live, for how many days? Now it's green. The color is green. It's green, not green. Oh, it's okay. It's green. But guys, thank you to all my subscriber and all my friends that are still supporting my channel. Thanks for the like and for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share in my channel. And see you in the comment section. Again, this is YBG, it's all about Food TV. Bye. God bless everyone. Wow. Hi, see ya. Enjoy eating.